Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you, for those technicians that are out there, I'm gonna show you how is scanning a boat, how you scan a boat with the computer. It's a tool that you use every day in your jobs to find out about problems on the engines, problems on the system. It's a Mercury computer. What we're gonna be doing today. It's a 3-engine boat, and you always, let's start with this, you always can, on starboard, this is my computer here, and I connected on the starboard junction box. From there, module, I'm read on the computer, I go to my Mercury logo, boom, remind me later. And I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna show you something. Right now, let the program run. It's opening. Boom. The first thing they're gonna show me is, it says no modules detected. You know what is that? Because the ignitions on the boat are off. Always check for the ignitions on. So let's open all the ignitions on the boat. Now that all the ignitions are open, the computer tell me start a scan, and we're gonna scan the boat to see, to create a report. We are doing some warranties on this boat, so we're gonna create a report to process the warranty. Alright. There's an info scan of the cell phone. X. Alright. Cam P here doesn't have any communication. So we'll have to find out why Cam P don't have any communication. Let me see. In my bus I have communication power. So we're gonna close and we're gonna come back again, and we're gonna open back again. Remind me later. Boom. See what the program says. Okay. Application is on today. Alright. So normal ultrasound detector turn on. Something is wrong here. Maybe it's because the starboard somebody disconnected. Let me check it out and I will let you guys know. Okay. Finally, I scan. Next, I'm gonna have a, where is it? I always lost my arrow. Here, okay. Next, and I gonna found that I have 3 files here, 1 file here. For engine is a lot of files. Let me see. Port engine has a file. Okay. For engine, okay, view files, all level sensor, an auto sensor. Yeah, I hate those auto sensors. Okay, let's create a report that has the reason for the video. File, create full report. And I gonna save it on this computer, and I gonna put my name and my tech number. Okay, $86,268 save, blah 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 blah, and I have my report here, so I can send it. And I can see here in my report I have 3 files, okay, in this one, and 1 file on this one. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching.